This is one of the older units, Craftsman, and here's that thing installed right there. And then we're gonna go to this. You need a power plug to plug this thing in. You see here. And then you need the software installed on your phone. And then you need internet. And then I'll come and install the whole thing for $65. This in the greater South Sacramento area. I'm willing to travel 15 miles from South Sacramento. And here, how this works. Just hit this. So the garage is closing. Garage is fully closed. We can open it. So it's going to ask for your password. And then once you enter the password, you'll be able to unlock your garage.